In this question, we are given rectangle JK and we are also given this diagonal KM of rectangle JK. Apart from this, we are also given angle MJK is bisected. As you can see, these two lines indicate that the angle is bisected. Okay, and the line from point J is meeting KM at point N. Apart from this, this is also given that the perpendicular distance of point N from the side KL is 8. This shows that this is the perpendicular distance. Similarly, the perpendicular distance of point N from side ML is 1, right? So what do we need to find out? We need to find out the length of this rectangle JK, or you can also find ML. Both are same, right? Now, there can be many ways to solve this question. You can share your own method in the comment box. I'm sharing my method through this video. According to my method, I drew two perpendicular lines. Which are these perpendicular lines? Let's see. First perpendicular line I drew from this point N to the side JM. This is the first perpendicular line that I drew. So let's name this line. This is perpendicular, right? So let this be point A. Yes, let this be point A. NA is perpendicular to JM. Similarly, I will draw one more perpendicular line. This line again I will draw from point N to side JK this time, like this. So these are the two constructions that I needed to answer this question. Let's name this perpendicular as well. First of all, this is perpendicular, as we know, this is perpendicular, and let this point be point B. Okay. Now to solve this question, let's mark few important lengths. KP be X. So if KP is X, definitely BN will turn out to be X. If BN is X, definitely JA will also be X, right? Now let's see, if NP is 8, BK will also be 8. If NP is 8, OL will also be 8. If NO is 1, PL will be 1. If NO is 1, AM will also be 1. Now let's come back to this. We know that angle MJK is 90 degree. Why? Because this is angle of a rectangle. Now this angle is bisected. Bisected means divided into two equal parts. That means this will be 45 degree. This will also be 45 degree. Yes. Now please understand, triangle JAN is a right triangle. It is a right triangle, correct? Apart from being a right triangle, it is also isosceles. Why? See, this angle is 45, this angle is 90. So what will be the measure of this angle? This angle will also be 45. That's why this is isosceles. Now, if it is isosceles, this side is x. So what will be the measure of AN? AN will also be x. Now, if AN is x, MO will also be x and JB will also be x. Correct? Now we will begin with the actual solution. These sites were like important to mark. Then only we can start with the solution. So according to my method, I took a triangle. I took triangle JMK. So the area of this triangle JMK is equal to the area of two triangles. Which are these two triangles? Triangle JMN and triangle JNK. So if we club these two triangles and add up their areas, we will get the area of triangle JMK. Correct? You can see in the figure. Now let's find the area of triangle JMK. So half times base times height. So what is the base for JMK? For JMK, I'm taking base as JK. That will be x plus 8. If base is x plus 8, that is JK. What will be height? Height will be JM, which is x plus 1. Correct? Now we will take the area of JMN. What is the area of JMN? Half times base times height. What is base for JMN? JMN base I'm taking as JM. That will be x plus 1. What will be height according to that? That will be AN, which is equals to x. Now area of triangle JNK, half times base times height. Base for JNK, base I'm taking as JK. That will be x plus 8. According to that, height will be BN, which is equals to x. Correct? Now, we can substitute the values of these three areas in this equation. Let's see how. Now triangle JMK is half times x plus 8 into x plus 1 is equals to half times x plus 1 into x plus half times x plus 8 into x. Correct. Now half can be taken common from right hand side and that can be cancelled with half on the left hand side. Yes. Simplifying it further, what we will get? We will get x square plus 9x plus 8 is equals to 2x square plus 9x. 9x and 9x can be cancelled. What we will get finally? We will get x square is equals to 8. If x square is 8, what will be x? X will be 2 root 2. But that is not our final answer. That is not our final answer because we need to find the length of jk. So the length of jk is 8 plus x, correct? So the length of jk will be 8 plus 2 root 2. This will be our final answer, 8 plus 2 root 2.